Finally, today is Nazima's road test. Hi Nazima, how you feeling before the road test? Feel nervous but okay? Before we just going there for the road test, I want you just a small practice on the parallel parking. Let's do this slowly, right? So we will be performing now a parallel parking and see how it goes. And Nazima today going to Downsview Test Center. And after that, hopefully, it's going to be a great result. And I'm going to make a video with her if she passed the road test, so you guys will hear the experience, what Nazima went through. But before we started, guys, if you're new in my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and destroy the like button. By the way, Nazima, she's a real estate agent. Nazima, she works hard for the clients, and if you're planning to sell, buy, or rent, she's the girl. Okay, Nazima, let's go. Let's start moving forward and do the parallel parking. So that's, guys, the car that we want to perform the parallel parking. She's by herself on the car, and see how she's doing. Great move, yeah? Make sure you mirror to mirror first. Great. So as you can see, guys, she parked the car and it looks like it's mirror to mirror. See, guys, I'm just showing you there is a car approaching, so I'm gonna move a little bit to the side. And as you can see, guys, she's waiting until the car will pass by. Great. So now we're gonna do the steps, Nazima. So can you put on reverse? And how much are you turning the wheel? Let's see, guys. And again, this is my car. Just remember, guys, when you're using a Honda Civic, you don't need to turn too much. The reason, if you overturn, you're gonna hit the curb. Okay, so now what's the next step you were gonna do? You have to look around to make sure there is no traffic, right? Do we see any traffic? No. So, guys, watch the next step. Let's do it, Nazima. She's reversing and she's going back. Remember, guys, reverse is the key, is the first step that you're doing. Keep on moving, yeah? You're doing great. Look around. And just stop for a second. I just want to show the second position that we are doing. So, is the mirror is on the corner, or we need to go a little bit more back? Great. Okay, so the signal, as you can see, guys, is on the right side. And now go a little bit more back, just a little bit more back. Yeah, great. A little bit more. And what's the next step we're doing now? Okay. Correct. So you straighten up the wheel, then you're turning one extra. Okay, let's start moving back. And straighten up the wheels and park the car. So as you can see, guys, we parked straight forward, exactly how the car parked in front of us. And you see the side of the curb, and she straightened up the wheels. Can we do this on the test? For sure? It was easy? So, guys, Nazima is going for the test. Hopefully she will pass, and I will let you know how it went. As I promised you guys, Nazima just finished her road test, and now she will tell you the experience that she went through. But before we started, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, Nazima, so we just finished your road test.
Yes.
And I know you were very nervous. Is that correct?
I was super nervous.
You were super nervous.
For the past 3 days.
For the past 3 days, you were going through, we were practicing, we were having lessons. And as I feel, as a driver, Nazima learned everything. She knew how to do parallel. She knew how to do three-point turn. Everything was done consistently, so she will be feeling comfortable when she's going for the test. But still, she had some problems, like she was overreacting, she was thinking about that. Even this morning I asked her how she feels, and she said to me, I feel very nervous. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop talking and let's see and let's hear from Nazima.
Okay, so hi everybody. I passed.
Congratulations. I'm
thank
very
you.
happy for you.
I honestly did not know what to expect going to the test because I know Downsea location has this reputation of being a little bit harder for the first time drivers, but I didn't find it particularly hard because the instructions were clear. The examiner, he came in and he told me exactly how it's gonna go. He told me to relax and just follow his instructions, and that's what I did. Yes, I was nervous, but at the end of the day, I thought I'm gonna drive as if I was driving by myself, regardless if I'm gonna pass or not. And yeah, the nerves kind of helped in a way because they allowed me to concentrate on my tasks. And yeah, and I passed, so I'm very, very happy.
And tell us, like, what the most difficult that you were feeling during the test. Like, what was the thing that you were thinking that you're not ready, or you saw something that you will be like more nervous than usual?
Okay, so for me, it's particularly hard to drive in rain or anything to do with weather conditions. So today it happened to rain on my exam day, so I thought, great, it's just a sign that it's going to be harder for me. But it wasn't particularly hard. Again, I concentrated on what I was asked to do. And I know a lot of new drivers, they tend to overthink. So if you're overthinking going to the G2 test or G4, whatever you do, don't overthink it because it's pretty straightforward. Examinators, they're going to ask exactly
The way you train.
yeah, the way you trained. If like Alex, for example, right, he says turn right on the first intersection, and like that's exactly what you do.
So the
Or turn
instruction
left.
was similar to what I was telling you,
It
right?
was exactly like
Exactly
100%.
the same.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you just follow what you're told, and if you do it, and if you do it right, if you don't break any rules, you should pass.
Did they ask you to do parallel?
Yes, they asked me. To
And
do
our
parallel.
practice before helped before you went for the test, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so
It kinda
you had a
refreshed.
parallel. You had a
Yes.
parallel parking.
Yes.
Did they ask you to do 3-point turn?
Yes, actually, right after I did my parallel parking, he said, now you're gonna do 3-point turn, and then we're gonna go back.
Great. So guys, that's like a small thing that I'm trying to show you more and more that Downsview Metro is there. It's a location. It's not a hard or it's easy. If you're ready, you will nail it. So hopefully you will do the same like Nazima, and you will get your license, and you don't have to go through again and again and again. And that will be the summary of the video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. And remember, if you're looking to move, Nazima is the girl. She's a real estate agent, and she works hard for the clients. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.